In an area where tennis is not very strong, it excites me very much to see that there's this much attention being given to tennis and all of these young kids out here. It really makes me excited for what's to come.
I'm Bob Jones. I'm the District Athletic Director for Bastrop Independent School District. That covers both of our middle schools, Cedar Creek Middle School, Bastrop Middle School, and both high schools. This is a great event. This is a community event incorporating both Cedar Creek and Bastrop. The city of Bastrop, Lost Pines Toyota, it's collaboration of a lot of people, and it's a super event for our kids. Carlos and his wife and their whole family, they support everything in our district, and we can't thank them enough. What they do from their gumbo deals on Fridays, first Friday of the month, to supporting every programs, academic and athletic. I mean, they're phenomenal. We're lucky to have them in our community.